Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create an affiliate link for your Beacons AI digital product. All right, let's begin. To create an affiliate link for your Beacons AI product, start by opening any web browser and navigating to the Beacons AI website. Sign into your account and head to the homepage. Click on the Products tab, where you'll see all of your created products listed. Select the specific product for which you want to generate an affiliate link. To do this, click on Edit Product Details and Sales. Scroll down through the options that appear until you find and select Affiliate Share Feature. In this section, click on New Affiliate Link to set up a new link. Here, choose what commission percentage you want affiliates to receive. Let's say 20%. Once set up, others can use this link. If someone buys after clicking it, they'll earn their chosen commission. To integrate this affiliate link into your Beacon page itself, go back to your homepage and access it via Bio tab or similar section where links are supported. Click Add Block, then select Store from available options, followed by choosing an external link option where you paste in your newly created product URL. So that's basically how you can create an affiliate link for your Beacons AI digital product. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.